lava lamp experiment. For this I am using baking soda, vinegar, food color, cooking oil. Now I am adding baking soda into the glass. Now I am adding cooking oil into the glass. Now I am adding food color into the vinegar. Now I am into the color vinegar into the glass. Let's read the magic. This is lava lamp experiment. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.